Now, a great tip for side lateral development. This is the shoulder's got three heads. It's got the rear delt at the back, it's got the side delt, it's got the front delt. Now, a lot of people want to build this side delt. That gives you that width look, that masculine look when you're standing there, and it just gives you that wide look at the top. Now, a lot of people get front delt development whenever they're doing a lot of presses. You'll get the rear delt development by doing pull movements, but a lot of the times it is the best option just to isolate it and do some rear delt flies. So a lot of people want to build the side delt. I want to show you easily how to do so without having to do much. Get yourself a dumbbell. You can do 2 if you want. You want to stand up completely straight so you've got the best posture. You want to let your arms rest by your side, and if you're using one dumbbell, put this hand on your side, keep yourself straight, and then raise the dumbbell like so. So you want to do some full reps to start off with. So I'll do something like that. I'll have warmed up, I'll have done some rotator cuff warm up, then I'll do a few reps with the weight I'm about to use. Slowly build up to it though. You want to start with a lighter weight and then work up to the weight you're going to use. Do a few full reps, and then once you reach this point, then you do this workout. So you come up and you only do half reps where you do the top of the movement. Now what you'll realize is once you reach the top of this movement, there's still loads of pressure on that delt. This really just starts to get that blood pumping into that muscle. This is a great exercise to do after pressing movements for your shoulder workout. And then you just do this top movement depending on the weight you're using. I'll usually do about 10-15 reps. Then I'll start to do full reps like so and come right up and squeeze. Now you can come down, but don't come right down to the point that there's no more pressure on the actual muscle. Now if you need to, if you're pushing to failure like I do, you can maybe set the weight down, take a slight rest, and then get that weight going again. Now you want to make this as much focus on the muscle as possible and as little jerking as possible. You don't want to be moving about. You want to stay completely in the best possible posture that you can and keep that form, and then get those full reps in. Once you do that, you switch to the other side, and if you're going for a real burnout, you can do your left side, then move to your right side, then back to your left, and really get that blood pumping in the muscle. Because it's not just big weights, it's not just low reps, it's also high reps, and it's also light weights, and it's a mix. Do all those type of things, and then you'll start to notice the body starts to get developed.